Hi everyone, this is Xinji. It is a screencast presentation of the course Technology and the Role of Educator. In this presentation, I will explain the most appropriate metaphor for teachers is co-researchers. I will explain why teachers become the co-researchers and what the teachers could do in this information age. At last, I will introduce the strong point and drawbacks of this metaphor. Firstly, is the technology development is the physical foundation. In this generation, computers have become the general equipment in the classroom in developed countries and most of the developing countries. It provides the hardware support for the educational innovation brought by technological development. Moreover, the software development from Web 1.0 to Web 2.0 changed the online information sharing platform from one to multimodal to multimodal. This hardware and software development realize innovate learning method in education. For example, the computer-supported collaborative learning, which called CSCL, and the inquiry learning former from the STIN, that means the social interaction networks, which means the wiki, blog, and other technologies could successfully establish online learning community as STIN and combined with ILF from activity theory to increase students' learning efficiency. Therefore, teachers become co-researchers in students' learning theories, a learning process. The second is technology changed students' roles. With the new technology, learners become researchers, collaborators, producers, and publishers. When they have high levels of access to Web 2.0, students become the center of the study and enjoy more autonomy on their study. Therefore, students' demands for educators changed. So the teachers become the co-researchers and they need to become the collaborators, co-producers, and co-publishers to students. I think all these roles could be explained in with the co-researchers. The third point is technology changes the way of learning. With the new technology in education, students have more opportunities to learn with doing and practice in meaningful work. The educators could provide a more authentic learning experience based on the experiment and action. With the wiki, blog, and other technologies, students could establish their own community and they could collaborate, interact, support with each other. In this process, teachers could become the co-researchers and they can participate in the same subject with students in the online community. The fourth point is the activity theory is the theoretical and methodological foundation of teachers as researchers. Activity theory is a line of theoretical framework used to analyze human practice. It was mentioned in Barrett's article, and ILF is provided to this theory as an effective learning method. So when the ILF combined with the STIN, the students become the center of the study and the teachers become the co-researchers. The next part, I will explain what teachers need to do as the co-researchers. Firstly, teachers need to filter the information, prepare the materials, and make them available by computers to students. So teachers need to skilled and could upload and flatter all the information. The second is teachers need to motivate students. Teachers need to encourage students to engage in the learning community. They need to feel safe, comfortable, and have the autonomy in their learning proceed. And the teachers and students could participate in the ILF and make the work challenge and meaningful together. The third is teachers need to continue support and guide students through ongoing interaction. As co-researchers to each other, students will feel safe and supportable from the teachers, and teachers are always ready to guide the students and give them support. In the online course, the teachers will provide more method like the phone number or FaceTime with students or the emails to make sure they could connect and have the online ongoing interaction with each other. This metaphor has its strong point, but it also has its drawbacks. This co-researcher's metaphor focused on students' autonomy, and the teachers moved from the center of the study to beside the students to give them guide and support. It embodied the characteristics of how the technological generation changed the roles of teachers and educators. However, it weakened teachers' guiding role. Actually, teachers are still playing an important guiding role in the learning process, especially on the high-level online discourse. In this aspect, and except to the co-researchers, teachers also need to become the designers. Some study prove that educators play an important guiding role when students engaged in high-level discourse activities. Educators as designers to make the online activity structured and could guide the students understand more clearly and have more motivation to engage in the study. Those are the reasons why teachers become co-researchers and what teachers could do and the strong point and drawbacks of teachers as co-researchers, this metaphor. That's all. Thank you.